What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we got to talk about this Maserati MC20 Sovrana kit by DMC. A lot of people are covering this because DMC has long been known to be a specialist in the restoration of luxury cars, and the Maserati brand was interested in its tuning for the first time when DMC launched the Sovrano Gran Turismo in 2011. Now it's up to the sporty MC20 that still demonstrates as once again the fact that DMC has excellent knowledge when it comes to customizing high-end Italian sports cars, but I'll let you guys be the judge by seeing here. At first glance, DMC's striking body modifications on the MC20 attracted attention. It's a newly developed front bumper with discrete GT3 air intakes and gives the front a decidedly sportier look, and the carbon fiber radiator grille highlights the famous Maserati trident in the center. Now, additional air intakes allow the new lightweight hood to optimally regulate the temperature in the engine compartment. And most noticeable, however, is the DMC wing, a carbon fiber spoiler developed specifically for the MC20. Now, the MC20 also feels much closer to the tarmac thanks to the new deep sills, and the carbon fiber rear spoiler and diffuser complete the sporty look. Now, DMC also uses progressive sport suspension on the front and rear axles for the MC20, while it lowers the vehicle's center of gravity by around 30 millimeters. Now, contact with the asphalt is maintained by 255/30 R20 front tires and 305/30 R21 rear tires. Now, in addition, the Maserati MC20 and MC20 Cielo get more power thanks to DMC, a performance-optimized ECU, an air filter with increased airflow, and a sports exhaust system improve the performance of the V6 unit by 94 horsepower, which is standard at 621 horsepower, and DMC takes it to 715 horsepower. At the same time, the torque is increased approximately by 108 newton meters compared to the production model series of 538 newton meters, which takes it to 646 newton meters for DMC's kit. Now, we don't get a look inside, but it is said that the finest materials are treated with superior craftsmanship tradition to add that individual DMC touch. So the leather used by DMC for the interiors is resistant but extremely soft, and the stitching gives an elegance and sportiness. You also have craftsmanship, personalized design, and high quality. You also get aluminum pedals and a new ergonomically designed sport steering wheel inside as well. But with that said, we get to see the exterior, and I want to know what you guys think about DMC's kit. And how do you feel about that power? Is that a big enough boost for you guys to take the MC20 up in the performance range? Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this one, guys. And if everyone enjoyed the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new Sovrana kit by DMC for the MC20. Now, with that said, if you guys want to further help support the channel and enjoy what I do here, make sure you check those links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. You can get long sleeve shirts, stickers, tank tops, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. It's everything I'm posting. Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.